It is so amazing. Stella finally got to go on her road trip. She had so much fun. Here are some clips from the vacation. I really hope that you guys enjoy it. Oh, Stella. Hi there, girl. So, how has the road trip been? You like it? Road trip. Come on. Keep on drinking, pup. She was not listening on her walk out here. So we're just gonna have to see. Come here. She's probably tired of water. I just gave her a ton. But we're not gonna stop for like another 3 hours. So I just can't have a dehydrated pup. Alright, girl, come on. Drink. Drink more water if I pour more water. Alright, so giving her some more water. Now drink it, okay? Drink it.